everyone, welcome back to Simply Life and Truth. Today is quite a different video, I would say. We're going to wind up a series for shaping our lives. And of course, October has come. It's my birth month. I'm so excited. I'm going to share with you some of the habits that I've learned and have really changed my life over this 1 year. They have grown me as a person. That has been quite interesting, I would say. There have been some rises, some downfalls. There's been quite a lot going on in my life, and I'm super grateful as I begin this new age, of course. I hope you're ready for these habits. The first one I would say is gratitude. I've learned that gratitude is an attitude and it's an action, as I could say. Gratitude has been a game changer and a tool of transformation in my life over the past 1 year, and it's an attitude we have. It's being more grateful, giving more attention, appreciating and acknowledging the things that are in your life, not taking them for granted. Actually, it's recognizing every presence of any other thing in your life and seeing its actual impact in your life. Appreciating the little things in your life actually creates a receptive state of consciousness for good things. If you really take notice of the good things that in your life and you appreciate them, you actually attract more good things. And it's not natural, it doesn't come naturally. That's why cultivating a habit of gratitude has been something that I'm so grateful for, and something that I would advise, or I would really recommend for anyone who is beginning out a new phase in their life. So gratitude it is. One way one can actually practice gratitude is maybe keeping a gratitude journal where you write down, let me say, 5 things that you're really grateful for. But then one thing that can be so effective is actually expanding. Maybe say on each day you say, okay, I'm grateful for my family. Then you start to go and in depth, you get personal with it. Why are you grateful for it? That's actually when it becomes more effective. Let's take on another habit, I would say, journaling. This is quite unpopular most of the times, but it's a habit that it's good when you actually cultivate it. It's not easy at first, but journaling is a discipline, honestly. And when you want to build your discipline, when you build such a habit, your discipline also increases. It's mainly putting down your personal insights about yourself. You discover the negative ones and how to unwire them. It's mainly understanding your thoughts. This is all in building your mental health, understanding why you're feeling a certain way. And this happens when you actually put it down, when you put down these thoughts down. This can be on a daily, or you can do it after 3 days, whichever is comfortable for you. Or maybe let me share this with you. Over this 1 year, I went through quite a lot, and there is this time when I was going through some hurtful moments, and understanding what I'd gone through and everything came from journaling. I understood how much has hurt and what effect that situation maybe caused to me. Journaling really helped me, and it helped me get my way back, honestly, understanding my thoughts, the impact of that incident in my life. I understood all this through journaling, and I would recommend it fully for someone because I know how much it has helped me. Still, the way I've practiced journaling as a habit is having a journal where I write down my thoughts. It depends most times. If I'm going through a situation, yes, as per that, or every morning I can journal something that is going on. So journaling it is. I hope you enjoy and you cultivate it. Reading is the other habit that I've cultivated over this year, and it's quite interesting because naturally I'm a reader, but then purposefully reading the pages every day, going through them, it's been hard with a busy day or busy times. So I actually joined a book club to actually push me, and it has actually helped me. Reading mainly increases your intellect, your knowledge, your perspective. You get to see how other lives are somewhere else, or how people perceive things, and it actually opens up your mind. So reading is one of the habits that I would actually recommend for anyone to take on. So reading it is. Organizing your life, your vision, decluttering your life, setting your goals and priorities straight is a habit that you carry on for the rest of your life. It's a habit that one learns. It helps you also to know the direction you're taking and the things that you really care for and the things that really matter at that time and that season of your life. Other habit that I've learned is to continuously be connected to God. That is praying and being consistent with it, knowing where you are, where you stand fully with Him. Yeah, that's a habit that I've learned in my life. But then I'll end with this quote, maybe from the Bible, that has fully pushed me on through. It says that, "Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your requests to God." So it's all in their gratitude, the thankfulness, the prayer, the consistency, and the being grateful in every situation. I hope these habits can be a part of your life. So thank you so much. Please do subscribe if you have not yet. And yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.